Imagine waking up to a notification that you've just earned $2,000 overnight. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, it's not. Today, I'm revealing the top 3 strategies that can make these high-ticket affiliate sales your reality. But guess what? Most people are doing it all wrong. Stick around to discover the secrets that could change your financial future forever. Identifying your audience is like setting your marketing GPS. Selling hiking gear to indoor enthusiasts, that's off-track affiliate marketing. Targeting those genuinely interested boosts marketing effectiveness and opens doors to high-ticket sales. Picture this: you've carefully crafted content that truly engages your target audience, sharing insights and products that excite them. It's not about casting a wide net and hoping for the best. It's about targeting the right audience. By addressing their needs, wants, and passions, you build a bridge of trust. But this bridge isn't built overnight. It requires consistent, targeted efforts aligned with your audience's interests and needs. Remember, the internet is vast and people's attention spans are limited. To cut through the noise, your message must be as sharp as a laser, pointing directly at those who need to hear it. By doing so, you not only become a beacon of value in a sea of generic content, but also enhance your chances of achieving those high-ticket affiliate sales. But how do you find these elusive, perfectly aligned audiences? Great question. A good starting point is to understand your niche and its subcategories. Who are the leaders in that space and what platforms do they use? From there, you can analyze their followers and see what they're interested in. Don't just look at numbers. Dive deep into their comments, questions, and engagement levels. Understanding your audience can feel like finding a needle in a digital haystack. But targeting the right audience for high-ticket items is like having a magnet that attracts those needles. It's not about guessing. It's about using smart methods to zero in on those likely to be interested and capable of purchasing what you're selling. Creating buyer personas is a game changer. Picture them as detailed sketches of your ideal customers, encompassing their interests, pain points, and online habits. It's not just imagination, it's compiling data to identify those most likely to engage with your high-ticket items. Specificity is key. The more detailed your persona, the better you can target your content and ads. Next, leverage the power of social media insights. Platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn offer treasure troves of analytical data. This isn't just about seeing who follows you, but analyzing the behavior of potential customers. What content do they interact with? What discussions are they a part of? This information lets you tailor your messages so they resonate deeply with your target audience. Engagement tracking is another essential tool. Every like, share, and comment is a valuable piece of feedback. It tells you what your audience cares about, and more importantly, what they're willing to engage with. Use this to refine your approach, focusing more on what works and less on what doesn't. But here's the kicker: understanding your audience is an ongoing process. Tastes change, new trends emerge, and staying on top of these changes is key to keeping your targeting strategy sharp and effective. Crafting compelling offers and affiliate marketing feels a bit like preparing a gourmet meal. It's not just about throwing ingredients together. It's about mixing the right elements in perfect proportions to create something unforgettable. Imagine this: you've caught your audience's attention. Now how do you keep them glued? That's where the magic of a compelling offer comes in. First, understand the core needs and desires of your target audience. Are they looking for speed, convenience, quality, or maybe exclusivity? Your offer should speak directly to these desires, making it almost irresistible. Think of it as answering the ultimate question, what's in it for me? But with a twist tailored just for them. Now add urgency or scarcity. It's human nature to desire what seems hard to get. Limited time offers or limited quantities available can create a sense of urgency that nudges your audience towards taking action sooner rather than later. Don't forget about the presentation. Just like our gourmet meal, presentation matters. Your offer should be clear, concise, and visually appealing. High-quality images, compelling headlines, and a clear call to action can transform an average offer into a showstopper. But here's the secret ingredient: value. Your offer should provide undeniable value, whether it's through bonuses, discounts, or exclusive content. When your audience perceives they're getting more value than what they're paying for, satisfaction hits, leading to repeat purchases and word-of-mouth referrals. And remember, testing and feedback are your best friends. The most successful marketers continuously tweak their offers based on customer feedback and metrics. This way, you keep evolving, ensuring your offers always hit the mark. Don't forget to subscribe for more great content. Crafting compelling offers isn't just a science. It's an art that can significantly drive high-ticket sales. Imagine walking into your favorite store and finding an exclusive deal just for members. That excitement, that rush. That's the power of a well-crafted offer. First off, understanding your audience is key. What truly lights their fire? Is it speed, luxury, or perhaps the lure of joining an exclusive community? Now, translate this understanding into your offer by making it exude exclusivity. High-ticket items aren't just purchases, they're investments. Your audience needs to feel they're not just buying a product, but gaining access to an exclusive club. Introducing a members-only service or product line can create this aura. But how do you make it irresistible? Bundle in services or add-ons that amplify the perceived value. For a luxury car, think of including a year's membership to a premium roadside assistance service, or for high-end software, offer personalized setup assistance. These additions make your audience feel cared for and understood on a deeper level. Another critical factor is personalization. In a world bombarded with generic sales pitches, a tailor-made offer stands out. Use data to understand purchasing behavior and preferences, then customize your offers to resonate personally with your audience. However, crafting the offer is just the beginning. Presentation is crucial. Utilize high-quality visuals and storytelling to showcase the lifestyle or results your offer enables. Remember, you're not just selling a product, you're selling a dream, a transformation. Lastly, we can't overlook the importance of social proof. Testimonials, case studies, and user reviews are golden. They're not just trust builders, but also serve as powerful persuasion tools, showcasing real-life success stories of what's possible with your offer. Every sales guru will tell you the magic often happens after the initial pitch. That's where strategy 3 enters the picture: effective follow-up and closing high-ticket affiliate sales. Now envision this. You've done the hard work, your potential customer is interested, but then silence. They don't make the purchase straight away. It's easy to think the deal is lost, but in reality, the game has just begun. Follow-up isn't just a courtesy call, it's where you transform interest into action. It's akin to nurturing a seed you've planted. Without the right care and attention, it won't blossom. But how do you follow up without being pushy? First, remember it's about them, not you. Your message should always add value, answering any questions they may have left unaddressed and gently reminding them of how your product or service solves their problem. Personalization here can make or break your strategy. Use the information from your initial interaction to tailor your messages. If they expressed concern about a specific feature, reassure them. If they were excited about a particular benefit, re-emphasize it. It's these small, thoughtful details that show you're paying attention and genuinely care about their needs. Timing is another critical component. Wait too long and they might lose interest or find an alternative. Reach out too soon and you risk coming off as desperate. Finding that sweet spot is key, and often it requires a bit of experimentation. Remember, effective follow-up is an art. It's about maintaining a delicate balance between persistence and patience, all while keeping the end goal in sight: closing that high-ticket sale. Once you've planted the seed of interest, nurturing that connection becomes your top priority. Think about the last time you bought something significant because someone followed up with you in just the right way. It felt good, right? Like they were reading your mind, answering questions you didn't even know you had. That's the power of an effective follow-up. Now, imagine you're on the other side. You've got this lead, this potential story that could turn into a success. But the question that's probably gnawing at your innards is, how do I follow up without sounding like a nag? The secret sauce, my friends, is customization. When we talk about customization, it's not just using their first name in an email. It's about echoing their needs and concerns in your follow-up. Did they express worry over a feature? Hit them with reassurance and maybe a user testimonial that shines a light on that feature's benefit. Was there excitement over possible outcomes? Remind them of that potential future where their problem is solved thanks to your service or product. Customize your message and consider timing. Be the gentle nudge, not the reason they drop everything else. It varies for everyone. Some prefer a follow-up the next day, while others find a week's gap more respectful. Read the signs and perhaps do some A/B testing to find the sweet spot. In essence, an effective follow-up is your bridge from a mild interest to a solid decision. It's not just about reminding them you exist. It's about showing them how much better their world could be with your solution in it.